Good morning, Year 6. Today, we will talk about the 7 life processes, and also we will talk about the first system in our body, which is known as human digestive system. What are the 7 life processes, which are known as vital processes that keep living organisms alive, These processes collected in the word Mrs. Green, Let's start with the first process, movement. Living organisms need to move parts of their bodies. Number 2, respiration. Respiration meaning turning sugar and oxygen into energy, or by another meaning, burning of digested food in the presence of oxygen to produce energy. Number 3, sensitivity. Sensitivity means responding and reacting with the surrounding environment. 4, growth. Growth, growing to adult size. 5, reproduction. Reproduction means giving birth or producing offspring. Number 6, excretion. Excretion means getting rid of wastes. The last process, nutrition. Nutrition, eating and drinking food. Body organs. We know that the building unit of all living organisms' body, known as cell. So, cell is defined as a building unit or a structure and functional unit of living organisms' body. All living organisms made of cells, and when the similar cells collected together, it will form a tissue. When a different tissues collected together, it will form organs, and when different organs collected together, it will form body system or organ system. Let's start with human digestive system. Human digestive system found in abdominal cavity inside human. Human digestive system do 2 major functions, which known as digestion of food and absorption. What's meant by digestion? Digestion means changing complex food into simple substance. Absorption means transferring of digested food into the blood to where the blood ready to distribute the digested food between other cells. Digestive system starts from mouth, and inside mouth where we have teeth, tongue, and salivary gland. Teeth chew and grind the food into small particles, and tongue mix food with the saliva inside the mouth to help the food swallowing, and salivary gland secrete saliva, where saliva contain digestive enzyme that help in digest starch into sugar. So when you chew a piece of bread inside your mouth, you feel a sweety taste, because the starch inside the bread change and digest by action of saliva and change into sugar. After that, we have a muscular tube. This muscular tube known as esophagus. Esophagus responsible for passing digested food from mouth into the stomach, And the esophagus is considered a muscular tube where the muscles inside esophagus help in pushing food into the stomach. After reaching the food inside the stomach secrete gastric juice and several digested enzymes, that help in digest food partially. Also, stomach secrete acid to kill germs and bacteria that enter with the food. After stomach, the food push down inside small intestine. Small intestine is a coiled tube. A coiled tube, its length reaches to 7 meters, and it composed of 2 parts. Duodenum, this is part, look to the figure in front of you. This is figure known as duodenum, and this is a part known as ileum, Inside this part, the food push from the stomach and reach to this part. Pancreas, secrete pancreatic juice, and liver secrete bile juice to help in digest fat, And after that, the food push down inside ileum. Inside the ileum, the wall of the small intestine secreted intestinal juice to complete food digestion, and now the food is ready to transfer into the blood through absorption process. The large intestine can store and collected undigested food and wastes, until it remove outside the body, where the undigested food and wastes, when reach to this part which known as rectum, this part which is known as rectum, rectum absorb water from the undigested food and wastes and change it into stool, and the stool now ready to go out from the body through anus opening. So after the explanation of digestive system, we know that it starts from mouth opening and end at anus opening. How to keep digestive system healthy? To keep digestive system healthy, you should to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, and drink a lot of water, where water help in food digestion. And also, you don't fill your stomach with food, And also, we should to chew your food well to help in food digestion and keep stomach healthy, Thank you, year 6, for your good listening, and goodbye.